With every great home theater PC, it requires some great signals. In our case, we have a lot of great signals, but in multiple directions, and a lot of tuners to feed in the house, as well as the 4 tuners on our home theater PC. And then you got to bring it all into the house, keeping in mind for lightning and power protection. Keeps everything up and running and safe. And then you gotta distribute it to all your tuners. And of course, because we're using 2 towers, we have 2 input centers. Basically the same equipment in both cases. Again, appropriate power and lightning protection. And then you gotta run them through the house. And then of course you need a powerful machine to get the job done. We chose a nice Dell computer. 2 quad-core Xeon 3.1 gigahertz processors. And we're using 4 Hauppauge analog and digital tuners. We've disabled all the analogs because you can only have 4 tuners in Media Center. So we want all of them to be digital. Okay, so here we have it. This is what it's all about. You got your smart TV, and you can of course watch live digital high definition when available on all your channels. But this isn't what we really want to talk about. What we really want to talk about is this little baby down here. And this is, of course, hard to see because it's dark, but it's an Xbox 360. And we just flip over to that. And we use Media Center. And we've got both antennas connected to 4 tuners, 1 antenna per 2 tuners, so we can watch a channel and record a channel from each antenna. A maximum, of course, of 4 of them if nobody's watching a different channel than being recorded. So this works for the whole house. You put yourself a nice network together. You put them all together. I did a wired network because it's better performance. Gigabit wired network is the way to go. Wireless, a lot of users, well, you know what happens, right? Network traffic problems. So anyway, let's just have a look at what we got here. So this is a customized guide. It's containing Zap2It guides from 3 cities, all combined. A little bit of custom work, registry editing, and some batch files to run. You can find all this stuff on the internet, or we can do it for you. But let's just go down the beautiful list here of stuff. It's really quite cool. So I'm just going to cruise through all the channels. Oh, I'm going to get a little closer so you can actually see what's on the screen there. And of course you can see the Summer Olympics is on. And the beauty of having 2 antennas instead of 1 and having to rotate it is that there's no blank channels, you know, when you go to a channel that's on a different city. And as you can see, if you saw that map there, you could see we're looking at Syracuse, Buffalo, and Toronto, and Rochester. We got really 4 cities we're drawing channels from. And of course I'm not pointing at Toronto, so we're not going to get CBC.
Extra hot.
Okay, that's getting kind of boring, so I'm gonna stop that. And we'll show you the piece de resistance, which is of course the recorded TV. So you have a look here. You can record what you want and then play it back later. Yeah, pause it, go get a snack, come back, start it up again. Gets a little boring, just move forward, blah 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 monologues. Really cool stuff there. So this all comes from the guide. Whoops. If I can get to the guide, here we go. And I didn't want to do that, so I'll take that out of there. So I did it again. Here, I thought I'd do that again for you there. Wasted and okay, there we go. So we want to record that, or we want to record it every time it's on. You just do that, and then you can see it's going to record it anytime it's on any channel too. So you got a bad signal one day, well it'll be on another channel from one other city, so you can get lots in there. And anyway, so we don't want that, because I don't want to watch that. So do not record. Let's get rid of that. Okay, yeah. So give us a call, and we'll give you a quote on making a wailing home theater PC for you. And it's really nice having that guide. You want to know what's on, you don't have to go around the channel, you don't have to go sit at your computer and go to zap to it. You can just scroll through it all, see what's going on. And we got about 50 channels here today. Okay, that's it.